11, but still 11:29.
Yeah.
11:30 now I have put the timing.
Narayana Uttarahalli, please unmute yourself.
Unmute kariye, we cannot hear you and your icon is showing a mute.
Hemlata, unmute.
Phone
Hemlata, please unmute.
now okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Narayana E-Techno School. It's my immense pleasure. With your permission, can I remove the mask?
Yes, you can remove.
Thank you, ma'am. So it is my immense pleasure to welcome CBSE inspection people. Member 1, Poonam Sharma ma'am, Principal, Divine School, Uttar Pradesh. Member
Have
2,
you
Chandralekha Rao.
taken the geotag image now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please take the geotag image now that the meeting has started now.
Yes, ma'am. Please welcome to our school.
Yeah.
फोन करके बोलो उस आदमी को जियो टैग इमेज ले लिया
Geotag में
आ गया मैम यस
प्रिंसिपल एक तो पुरानी जियोटैग आई है वो नहीं चाहिए अभी की चाहिए
अभी का भेजा फोन करो उनको अभी का नहीं
उसमें टाइम है कि नहीं
अभी का भेजे जस्ट नाउ
और उसमें प्रिंसिपल जरूर दिखनी चाहिए मैनेजर दिखना चाहिए
your voice is not clear Hemlata madam
it will not be बाहर क्लियर नहीं होगी इतनी
Okay. Just speak louder and then.
Fine, it's fine.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, now we can hear.
This is a boundary wall, ma'am.
This is our
okay
park
fine
area.
What is the height of boundary wall, sir?
The boundary wall height is round about 7.
It should be 9 feet, sir.
Yeah, it's 10 feet, sir. Yes, it's 10 feet.
Yeah. Okay.
okay fine
Come. Yeah.
This is our playing area, ma'am.
okay
No. Yes.
show outdoor facilities outdoor games
Yeah, ma'am. I am just showing you the back. The boundary wall.
keep your camera towards playground
Yes, ma'am. This is playground for our
Okay.
nursery children.
for senior students do it fast now senior students
Yeah, ma'am.
yes okay fine which all games children play senior children okay
This is kabaddi court. Badminton court. And this is volleyball court.
Is this your assembly area as well? Yes, I think.
Ball and prayers. Assembly will be done here.
this playground court you are using for assembly also
And this is
Yes.
generator, ma'am. All backup.
okay fine now third number is all laboratories you please start with the laboratories
And this is our campus.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please move on to laboratories area.
Yes.
Indoor sports room.
This is library. Okay. Where is the librarian? Okay. What is your name, sir?
Kanappa KM.
Okay. What is your qualification?
Master Degree in Library Information Science.
Okay. Since how long you are working in this school?
1 year.
Yes.
Sorry?
1 year, last 1 year.
1 year. Okay, last 1 year. Can you show me your accession register?
Yes, sir.
How many total books you are having in your library?
6,000, madam.
Sorry?
6,000.
6,000. Okay.
Number of students?
53.
Okay.
Divide करते हैं, 5 आ रही है।
How many periodics you are having in library?
Weekly 2, ma'am.
Weekly 2. Okay. Can you name a few of your periodics which you are having?
Ma'am?
Which periodics you are having?
Periodicals, ma'am. Journals and periodicals.
So, present time, don't time stop.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Ma'am, any question you just
Let us move ahead.
okay.
This should not be more
Now
than
we
1 year.
let us move on to labs. Actually,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Lab. We are asking to lab. Lab is up. Also. Come. We both speak, sir. No problem.
Don't panic, sir. Everything is going to be fine. Don't rush.
Don't rush. Be careful, otherwise you may fall down.
क्या टाइम बचेगा? 5 मिनट बचेंगे भागने से, और क्या? Take it easy.
We have 550 units of drinking water facility. These are the classrooms we have.
Go to the lab and
Yes,
come.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Labs, toilets,
Yes, ma'am.
classroom for senior secondary.
These are computer teacher.
I am Krishna Kumar, working here. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. How many PCs do you have in a lab, sir?
30 plus, ma'am. 35 plus.
35, and you have only one lab? And how many sections?
18.
18 sections. And how many periods do you give to each class?
2 to 3. 2 is one is for teaching
And practicals?
We have to accommodate
Practicals?
we have.
Do you have IT in class 3 also? Class 10 also?
We are having first batch of 10th standard now.
And your weekly timetable is how much? How many periods in a week?
Yes, ma'am. 3.
It's 2 plus 1 practical, ma'am. 2 periods plus 1 practical.
Yes.
2 theory and 2 practical, right?
Yeah.
So 18 दूनी 36, 36 तो ये होगा. Sir, it will not be sufficient then. Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you applying for computer science or IT or IP for senior secondary?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
we are
yes, we are
planning.
applying.
Once
So
we
if
get
you
the
will be-
permission, we are ready to, one more lab we are going to form, ma'am, with another 30 computers,
Yeah,
so
you
that we can go
have-
for the accreditation.
Already
We
there
will
are
have-
purchased
Now
from the-
onwards,
Yes, ma'am.
now onwards, you please increase your computer periods.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let us move ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
इनको हम एक लैब और चाहिए. नंबर ऑफ पीरियड्स पूरे नहीं पढ़ेंगे. अगर आईटी लेते हैं 2 है 8 16 पीरियड.
Projector and also the
एप्पल संतरा दोनों ले.
Come on. Please.
So this is for washing for white, where all tabs we are having.
Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to touch. Don't touch anything. It's fine.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So these are the partitions. We have urinals.
Okay. Can we see girls' toilet?
Yes, ma'am. Something we have here.
I moved to the labs of physics, chemistry, and biology.
How many floors you are having?
G+3.
G+3. So girls' toilet and boys' toilets are separate on both all the floors or floor-wise?
We are in all the floors, but both washing and boys washing, both these are.
No, it is not clear. Like on ground floor, do you have classes, classrooms?
Yes, ma'am. This is our maths lab. These are maths teachers over here, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 hours.
Very good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Morning.
Math lab.
This is maths lab. We have different types of shapes from here. For children. So there is the small shapes. There is the plain. And we have got some small shapes here. And we have instrument boards. And we have different colors.
Yeah, and then go ahead.
Different types of chart, mathematical symbols, algebraic activities, graph chart, mensuration chart, and shapes and figures. Different types of charts, ma'am, here.
Let us move ahead in the next room.
Ma'am, this is our physics lab. Our physics teacher, physics Ishwar sir.
Hi, sir. My name is Ishwar Kumar. Here I am the first faculty. Here, what is the equipment we are having here? So, we are having that ammeters. So, we are having ammeters. Micrometer, millimeter, galvanometer, and battery millimeter.
Sir, can I talk to you, sir?
Ohm's law
I
operation.
want to have you seen,
Listen. Madam is asking. Sir.
have you seen class 11 and 12
Yes, ma'am.
syllabus? Do you have equipments for classes 11 and 12?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. What about the frequency resonance practical?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I
Frequency
see
and
the
resonance for
parents for
the
that?
optics. Ma'am,
To demonstrate resonance frequency, can I
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the apparatus for that? It's a practical in class 12.
right, ma'am. For speed or velocity, for the resonance operators we are having, ma'am.
Can I see that? Please focus on that instrument. No. Resonance frequency is practical.
Resonance operator, ma'am. For the velocity of sound in air.
टोंक से उसको मार के किसमें लगा के पानी में इज्जत जा तुझे नहीं मालूम।
Glass vessels, glass slabs, screens, and V-shaped fans, and after that, some of the digital instruments, thermometers, speed balances, and magnets, and real screw gauges, reading calipers, and weight scales. So, with the help of these, we can do the experiment based on the measurements, and regarding to optics also, we can do the experiment.
And do you have one general lab for students up till class secondary?
Yes, ma'am.
You have only one lab or you have a general lab?
One lab separate, please. This is for physics only, ma'am.
Physics, chemistry, bio you have separate.
Separate, ma'am. There,
What is your qualification, sir?
MSc BEd, ma'am. MSc Physics BEd.
MSc Physics. Since how long you are working?
Since 7 years here I am working, ma'am.
In the same school.
No, ma'am. Total my experience I told them.
Okay, total experience. But what is the experience in this school?
2 years onwards I am doing, ma'am, here. I
2
have
years.
of experience. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are taking the classes 9th and 10th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So nowadays, how are you teaching?
And through online only I'm teaching.
Through
ma'am.
online. Okay. So what about practicals? Have you started
ma'am.
or
Yes, ma'am. We are showing the practicals through online only, ma'am.
through online only you are taking?
And with the help of some videos also, we are going to explain.
We have subscribed for all activities videos are there, ma'am.
Okay.
For solar activities, we are showing the videos of certain experiments for physics, certain maths also we are able to explain, and also biology and chemistry also we are going through that, so that acid bases and all the indicators we can show, ma'am. And here also in physics also we are going that.
So children are responding
Yes,
well
ma'am.
in the practicals?
For that, some children when they are offline also, like after the classes, they are seeing that and they're asking the doubts with us, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next on to mood lab.
Proceed, ma'am. This is biology, ma'am.
Biology.
When we start, therefore, the study in the library center also, we are able to study the classifications of different items. So all the many specimens we have, and also we have the models to study the internal structures of that. And we have compound microscope.
How many microscopes are there?
Studying of the meiosis, cell division, and
How
other
many microscopes are there? Or there?
Ma'am, I know 6 microscopes we have presently, and there is a section also we have. We have to continue for the next year as this is insufficient for the level standard. As we get the permission for
Yeah, for 11th class, you need to add some more microscopes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Where is the teacher? Where is the teacher? Chemistry teacher.
she's going.
Okay. So, hello.
Morning, ma'am. This is Swapna. Biology.
Okay, you are teaching biology.
I'm in the class now.
You are in the class. Okay, let us see. How are you teaching? Let us see your class. You carry on with your class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Carry on with your class.
Continue your class.
Okay. See, these what I written on the board, these are the cellular organisms. So we can see here amoeba, paramecium, multicellular organisms, as well multicellular organisms also you can see on the board. Okay, so you can draw DNA helical structure. This is double helical structure you can see. And this is artificial sequence of the organisms. We can see functional sounded feathers, anther, ovary, spine, and stigma. These are that's what we drawn in the board. The pistil carpel. So we see this. We can see 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
The chemistry lab. For the safety purpose of whatever chemistry we have doing experiments, we have the fire extinguisher here. She is chemistry faculty, ma'am. Shweta ma'am.
This is Shweta ma'am, and I am a chemistry faculty ma'am.
Okay.
In our lab, we have a lot of equipments, ma'am. So here we have a pH meter, we have acid-base indicators. So by using this, we can identify which is the solution containing the acidic or basic and neutral. So we have artificial indicators also, and we have a lab apparatus. There we have a storage waters, we have a polymer, and we have a round bottom flask, and here we have some of the models which are done by the students. So here we have the structure of atoms model the students here, and here the students have been done the
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Can you show me your stock register, chemistry teacher?
Yes, ma'am. Stock registers are there.
Okay. Okay. All the records you have kept in one room.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. All the three, 4 labs, maths, computer science, physics,
Okay,
chemistry,
fine.
biology,
Okay, fine.
all the labs.
Now
stock registers are there.
next.
Thank you, ma'am.
These are the classrooms for proposed 11th and 12th month. 80 classrooms we have.
Hemlata, what is the size of the classroom, please? Labs, please.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the size of your laboratories?
Laboratory is 25 and 23, ma'am. It's around 53 square meters.
I get it. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. This is a music room, ma'am.
Now your video is still on chemistry lab. I cannot see you right now. Your video got still. Chandralekha ma'am, can you see them? Okay, from my side, their video is still now.
I can see they're walking down the stairs.
Okay.
इनकी हेलो, कैन यू हियर पूनम?
Yes, ma'am.
इनकी स्पास्टिक बच्चों के लिए, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है.
We'll ask them.
Yeah, I have it in my mind.
Uh-huh.
CWS.
This is the reading room, ma'am. Reading room.
फोन करो उनको कि हमारी साइड से वीडियो नहीं दिख
I can see there. It's very clear. आपका भी उनका भी.
बट मेरी तरफ इनकी साइड का स्टिल हो गया है केमिस्ट्री लैब के अंदर ही.
Okay.
मे बी सम नेटवर्क इशू फ्रॉम देयर साइड.
होता उनकी तरफ से होता तो मेरे ख्याल से फिर मुझे भी नहीं दिखता ना.
हमारी तरफ से तो नहीं है.
आप birds eye
उनको तो
view
दिखाई
दिखा
दे
रहे
रहा है ना
हैं.
उनका.
मेरे को आपका भी दिख रहा है, उनका भी दिख रहा है, लाउड एंड क्लियर. ले रुको. They are showing the bird's eye view जैसे CBSE बोलती है ना, और पूरा वन कनेक्टेड कंपाउंड दिखा रहे हैं.
अभी ठीक है ना. ओके. हेलो हेमलता मैम. What is the provision for special students, specially challenged students?
CWSN, yeah, children with special disabilities,
Yes, ma'am. We are
special
providing.
needs.
So ramp is there. Ma'am, ramp is there.
Ramp that
Yeah,
goes right up till 3rd floor, sir.
Yeah, only for the ground floor we have done. And in future we'll do for the retired ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, this is record.
Record.
All records.
All records they have kept in one room.
Like
Stock
marks card,
register.
we have CBSE application
Manuals.
manuals and also answer scripts.
Yeah, that all we will see at the time of documentation. Let us
Yes, ma'am.
finish the infrastructure first.
Lab registers. Lab stock registers.
Yeah, ma'am, these are the lab stock registers. What we are having.
We will talk about all that once you are back in your room.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because this 15 minutes we have already extended to half an hour. This video we will not be able to upload otherwise. It will become too long.
Yes, ma'am.
Show your wellness room.
Yeah.
No, still infrastructure
Infirmary.
is not completed. Ma'am, now she is set in.
अब अपना दूसरा वाला वीडियो को बंद कर दीजिए.
Yes.
इनको समझ नहीं आती क्या बोलते हैं हम.
All right, Hemlata, are we all set now? Hemlata, your mic is muted.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you would like to have a glass of water and then we can start. You have walked a lot.
Yes.
Too tired,
पानी
ma'am.
पी लो, चाय पी लो, साथ साथ में inspection करेंगे. Don't stress out. We will take it easy.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
So my observation about about your infrastructure,
Yes, ma'am.
I think your school is not very friendly for CWSN, children with special educational needs. For certain reasons, that how a child, if he has a class on 3rd floor, how will he go up? You don't have lift. So that's, you'll have labs all on the 2nd floor or the 3rd floor, right? So you have a small ramp to go from out to the ground floor, but thereafter you have not shown your toilets for disabled children, right? To go to the library, that these special children will not be able to go to library, will not be able to go to labs, will not be able to climb to 3rd floor, 2nd floor, 1st floor. So it is little, you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, usually what we do, if we have one kid or so, we will not take them up. We will be keeping them in the ground floor only. And
How
the
is it
people
possible,
travel.
sir?
No,
How is it
for
possible?
labs, suppose he has to do practical in physics or chemistry lab, then you are having all your labs on 2nd floor, what ma'am said. How he
Yes,
will go upstairs?
Then
We try our level best with one child because we do not have too many kids of that.
no. It is not about today, sir. It is about tomorrow. Today for PG1, in next 12 years, you will have one children to one child, two children in all classes.
Oh, ma'am, as
You will have to make arrangements in future for
Yes.
these students.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. Ah,
Yeah.
Yeah. And then your computer lab was not good enough. You need one more laboratory. In
Yeah,
case
yeah.
you want, in case you are asking for computer science, IT, IP affiliation for senior secondary, you ought to have one laboratory.
Sure, yes. We have already, but we have to install it. That's
That one is not
Okay.
sufficient. You are saying 2 plus 2 classes you are giving to the children.
further classes, when you increase the classes, for
sure,
11,
sure.
12, you just arrange one more lab, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
All right. So now this is all about rest of your infrastructure seems to be good only. Now we need to talk about, if you have seen the SOP. Have you seen the SOP?
Yes, yeah.
So in SOP, there were certain parts where it said ABCD, and we need to talk about those things. So can we quickly go through that? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, sir.
Where is it gone? Right. So Poonam, would you like to go through their vision and dissemination of vision and other things?
Vision and all that we will see now. We can ask for documents which they have prepared, 1 or 2 main documents we can ask.
Okay. So sir, can I see, I had not seen your vision statement written anywhere in the school. Hemlata, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is there in all the websites. What we have.
Not only website, schools, any school building or gate or your office or reception area, somewhere it is written.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am. In
Vision is
reception
there.
area, it is there.
Reception area it is written. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. How do you pass on the vision statement to the parents, to the students, to the teachers? How well do they understand that? What is the system in your school through which you pass on the vision of the school?
Through all the whatever the planning we do and whatever the like when we do the assembly, there every day where the child will be talking about it. And as our vision is determination, progress and service, so it will be implemented every time. And our mission is we are like we train the child for competitive exams so that they get a success in their whatever they wanted to become. So all that our curriculum and everyday practices we are going to show them, ma'am.
And one more thing, ma'am, I would like to add here is we are following a micro schedule system that is all over. We have a group of schools, so we follow the same system everywhere. So micro schedule system, like we have this micro schedule for every month, and this is given to the parents as well. So the our vision, what we want to pass it on to the parents, is being conveyed in many ways. It may be in the education way, it is in the way of our results. Many positive, we send the circulars also. We have an interaction with parents, one-to-one interaction also we do have with them. Now, as it is a online system, Zoom system, we have one-to-one interaction with the parent. We do ask about the feedback, about our education, our academics, and this is how we plan.
Can I see your plan for this academic year and next 5 years? What are your plans?
No, you can.
Yes, ma'am. It's a group of education, so it is being like planned from our R&D department.
See, I am not inspecting your school, rest of the school. So let us not talk about what your group is doing. I'm concerned about affiliating your school to senior secondary.
True.
So tell me, what are your plans for your school for next 5 years and immediate short-term plan?
Ma'am, I'll explain this to you. Ma'am, the immediate plan is this is the first year where the 10th standard will be taking the examination. We are more focused on that now. Okay, because as you know, because of the pandemic, we are unable to actually interact with the slow learners, and we have to call them to school with a lot of SOPs to be followed. And this is one thing which we are more concerned of this year. We have to look up because this is the first year and we want our results to be really good. So that is one thing. And next 5-year plan, ma'am, we want our school to be affiliated with the 11th and 12th, and we want to have a good name, not only in the children, but also in the society, because we cater to everyone. It is not that I take an admission just by seeing his way of talking or his result of previous year. No, we train each and every one with the same vision what to do with an intelligence.
To see your curriculum plan for the teacher, curriculum development plan for the teachers' growth that would be conducive to the national policy, education policy that has recently come up, 2021 onwards.
Yes. So the NEP policy,
I wish to see the documentation, sir. Have you documented anything that how your lesson plans are going to be in the next session, where we are all mandatory? It is mandatory for us to follow the new education policy.
Ma'am, that has to be followed. No, ma'am.
That's exactly. We are going to talk. We are talking about the long-term plan. So long-term plan does not begin April mein shuru karna, April mein. It is almost November is coming to an end.
Yes, ma'am.
Your planning should be there.
Yeah.
That's what ma'am is asking, long-term plans. So long-term plans, number one is that you have to implement NEP. So what are the points which you are going to follow under that? That ma'am is asking.
The first what we are now we came to know that is a 4 level of education now. It is not the before the 3-tier system has changed and now the 4-tier system has come into being. And the child,
whatever, just a minute, whatever you are telling us orally, that ma'am is saying you have to do it documentation. Okay, so right now if you don't have, do it later, right?
Okay.
Soft copy is
But
sent,
soft
ma'am.
copy
We
is there
have
with us.
hard copy we could not.
Yeah.
No, soft copy easily you could have taken out the hard copy of it. No, how much time does it take?
I'll just
Yes, yes.
I think I've kept it.
Let us move ahead. We have already.
That's okay, fine. You can have it later. Now move on to next. Acha, I want to ask what social activities you are doing in schools for community, for your community. What are the social activities?
There are many
Your
things
children, which your children are doing.
Yeah. Now, first is Swachh Bharat, which was very much initiated by our Prime Minister, and that is being done in our school.
Do you have any documentation of all the
Pictures that we have.
One
now.
second, I'll just bring it to you.
Okay, madam, you till the time you tell me the achievements in sports area. What are the school's achievement in sports?
Ma'am, there were the green plant session conducted here. Then there are many activities that we do conduct. Yeah.
So in June, Environmental Day will be conducted by planting the trees. So with all primary children, and also we accommodate our community people also, parents and others. Then we have individual month, we have certain themes. Based on that, clubs and other whatever the groups are there. Like
no, these activities you are having inside the school premises. I'm asking for the community, like outside the school, what activities you are doing?
Outside the school, we are taking them to for biscuit factories, and also we have a dairy. We have milk dairy factories there.
That documentation I need. How you are contributing to society.
Yeah.
Ma'am, till now we have done 2 activities. I'm unable to produce the pics, but we have gone to the orphanage with the children, and that was last time. Yes. And then the COVID situation, we had fundraising.
So that record you have maintained for this?
Maintained, but at present I'm unable to get it, but I have done this.
Okay, fine.
And,
no issue. Yeah. You can maintain it. Okay.
Yes, we have done it.
Okay. Achievements in sports activities, sports area. What?
Yes, we do conduct CBSE. One boy has gone and got in swimming. He had gone to national level. He was a swimmer. Okay. And we have a chess player also. I can show you his trophies. This is his trophy. Okay, this is a 3rd standard kid.
Okay.
He is a player in chess.
So you have got on till national level. You have got the award. Yes. Okay, fine. Now come on to CBSE workshops. How many workshops your principal has done? Principal ma'am, how many workshops you have attended?
She has attended 2 workshops. I think we have got the certificate of that also. Ma'am, can you just show it?
Okay.
What are your plans for teachers? In the past year, how many workshops have your teachers attended? In-house service.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I said in-house learning experiences. What are your plans for teachers to conduct the classes, the workshops for other teachers, HODs, or your teacher development plan? I would like to know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We will be having per year 21 days workshop where it will be split in the vacations, like before October and before summer vacation, that we will be planning. And there will be in between also language wise, whatever state board will conduct, those meetings also we are going to send them. And that's how they are for further evaluation in the teaching methodology, and when they have to format, one particular format of the question paper, all that they can go to that workshop and they are learning, ma'am. We are sending it, and also for principals, every year there will be 10 days workshop. So we are going for that.
So have your teachers being trained or are being trained right now also?
No,
for national education policy to be implemented from next year. It's a very, very different lesson plan. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
It is each child,
are-
yeah, each child development it is. It is
No,
like
no,
each
it is,
child.
Dinesh sir, don't just tell me in general child development. Everything is about child development in the school only. So let us talk in particular.
Ma'am, like a skill development,
Yes.
so a child will be like, he is very much interested in one of its artwork. So in a week, we are going to give
No,
2 days.
let me intervene over there. I'm talking
Yes.
about a particular lesson plan. So is it a lesson plan based? Is it a skill based? Is it a knowledge based? What it is? Are you aware of the new education policy, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. It is skill based, ma'am.
Yeah. So it
Yeah.
is, and then how does it work?
In a week, we'll be having only 4 days a week, normal other curriculum, and other 2 days we are going to send them according to their skill, whatever they are interested in the skill, like carpentry, drawing, art, all that we are going to send them based on the.
Again, you are misunderstanding me. Say, for example, it is going to be a project based. One project will be taken for all 5 subjects. Right?
Yes.
So if you are doing a story, right, in English, that through that story you might do nouns, through that story you might do germination of seed. So your story has to be created in such a way that it takes care of 4 subjects altogether. And this has to be mandatorily followed till class 8 under all circumstances.
Yes.
You are aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see any documentation on that?
No, ma'am. Still, we are not having
We have
that
to
document.
implement.
Ensure that you do it. This is
Sure,
a
ma'am.
recent change. It has to happen in the next academic session. So please train
Yes,
your
ma'am. Yes.
teachers.
Definitely.
Poonam, shall we go to the community services?
I have asked them community services. They have gone to orphanage and they have gone to some areas. So
Okay.
what I have clarified it.
So how are your relations with? How do you develop relations with all the stakeholders, parents, senior citizens of the neighborhood areas, the teachers, students? How are they? I want to see a proper organizational structural framework amongst all the stakeholders. Do you have any?
Yes, ma'am. So stakeholders, we are going to conduct the meetings, like we are going to have the PTMs, and this is what we have conducted 3 meetings in a year during the COVID period. So protection against the coronavirus, we have done one meeting with the some parents and also teachers. Yes, ma'am. Parents and also some
Have you done
neighbors.
anything to do the community service for COVID?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
we have done, and this is about NEP, National Education Policy, that also we have informed them, and healthcare availability. So during the COVID period, how they have to take care about all around surrounding people along with the community and teachers. We have done.
Okay. So you told me that this your lesson plan, the 21 days workshops are being conducted, right?
Yes.
So tell me, what is other than your entire infrastructure, entire organizational structure amongst the Narayana group? I'm not talking about that. Within your school, how do your HODs, you must be having HODs, supervisors, other whatever heads you may call them, whatever is the nomenclature. How does it function?
We are going to conduct a minute meetings wherein after whatever the that day of curriculum, whatever we are planning. So this is last year's, because as I told you, we have only soft copy. We don't have hard copy. This is last year's, ma'am. So whatever they have given, like there will be a schedule, exam portions, all this will be given. So once it is completed, we are going to have a minute meeting with the HODs, so that whatever it is going on, either the completion of the syllabus is it over, like whatever the extra periods they require for complete revisions, all that we will be discussing with the HODs, and the HODs will be going on discussing with their other teachers, co-teachers, and thereby they will start implementing, and they'll come through with one of the whatever the remedy for that particular, then they are not able to show the interest in the education. For all that, we are having certain plans, ma'am, based on that individual child, however he is, like one child will be in his own interest, it will be there. So based on
how many HODs you have appointed? How many HODs are there to just go through all this?
Subject we have all subject, physics HOD. Yes, ma'am. Physics HOD, chemistry HOD, maths HOD, computer science HOD.
That is a part of your teacher? Like physics
yes,
HOD you are having separate, and physics teacher you are having separate?
No, it's a part of our teachers, ma'am. Part of our teachers. We
so
have
the same
around
teacher you are saying, that means.
Yes, ma'am. We are having.
So how it can be HOD?
No, physics,
No.
We have one associate also with the junior also.
Yes, ma'am. We have around trained graduate 15 and post teachers are there. Among them, where all trained only we have. So there, who are seniors, we have made them to as a HOD, and who are juniors, they are learning them whatever they are teaching. So that's how they are going. So they are subordinates.
Are you giving them enough time to just go through all the junior staff work or their class?
It will be there, ma'am. So when they are appointed, 1 year probationary period will be there, where they will be going through all these, and they have to attend all the workshops which we are going to conduct. Based on that, they will be trained well by our other what we call it as a special.
No, that is separate. Whatever you are telling me, that is separate. I am asking for day-to-day work.
Yes, ma'am.
Lesson plans. You told that HODs are looking after. You are explaining. You are taking meetings with HODs, and then HODs are looking after all the lesson plans and all with the teachers. So that what I am asking. Suppose you just told me that physics teacher is HOD. So are you giving them enough time that he can take his own classes as well? He can guide junior students, junior teachers?
Yes, ma'am. Like example, now December 1st has started. We have already discussed 1 week before with what all the difficulties they are going to face in the next month. So that whatever so that's what, ma'am, soft copy we will be having in advance 10 to 15 days before only we will get the whatever the remedies, whatever the possible.
Do you have any planners?
Is asking, sorry.
They are not understanding actually what I'm asking.
Poonam is asking how many periods per week you have time in your timetable. How many periods per week in your timetable?
Ma'am, 6 periods for physics, 6 periods for.
No, I'm saying.
How can you give 6 periods?
Weekly timetable कितना होता है? Total कितने होते हैं? Per day, how many periods you have?
Ma'am, per day we have 4 periods, ma'am. In the
Where's your timetable? You just show your time.
Ma'am, this is our schedule. What we have
on the screen.
Online schedule, ma'am. Because as we are going through online
screen per.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Altogether, you have 4 periods only in a day. We are not talking about Zoo online.
Yes, ma'am.
General timetable we are talking about.
Offline classes, how you are conducting? Because
yes, ma'am. Presently we are following this only because of COVID situation.
Not presently. Before COVID, what you were following?
8 periods we were having.
Exactly. So 5 days a week or 6 days a week?
6 days, ma'am. We have 6 days. We don't
full timetable on all 6 days?
Yes, ma'am. Except Saturdays, we have extracurricular activities.
Exactly. So let us talk 8 multiplied by 5. 40 period timetable you have in a week.
Yes.
Now, out of that 40 period, how many classes a week every teacher is supposed to take?
4 periods per 28 per week, no?
Yeah.
Okay, 28. Now, how many HODs are taking now? Tell me that. That is madam's question.
Okay. So all the 3 HODs are taking, ma'am, and we will be giving for the other co-teacher also. We will be giving 2 periods.
2 periods per day.
Yeah.
Per day.
So 5 2s are 20. No, 5 duni 10. So in a week they are only taking 10 classes a week.
Yes, ma'am. In the beginning, they are taking only that much. As 1 year experience, they will get.
They get more periods.
So that's like too less. 10 periods a week. How are you surviving economically?
So and then they'll be taking care of the
Ma'am,
lab
this is
also.
only teaching period. I am talking about only teaching period, ma'am.
Teaching,
That's what
I'm saying, but 10
even
periods. How
teaching
are
she is
you?
asking.
Even if the principal has to take, principal will be taking 8 periods a week. 1 class, 1 section, right?
Yeah.
If I happen to teach chemistry, I will be taking 8 classes a week. So how are you giving HOD just 10? Are you sure?
Actually, they are not very clear what we are asking. So, okay, we can leave it now.
So let us go ahead now. We talk about assessment. What are the assessment processes, Hemlata?
Yes, ma'am. We have 3 PT, PT1, PT2, and PT3, and 2 essays, Essay 1 and Essay 2.
Okay, that is up till class 8.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about 9 and 10? And what are your plans?
9 and 10 will be having essay. That PT3 will not be there. We will be having preparatory only. We will start. Sahodaya paper and other papers we will start with because we will be completing the portions. And 10 also same thing. 11th and 12th we are planning. So it will be continuous.
No, what are you planning for 11th?
From 11th and 12th, we are planning to have the same structure, at the new structure that is going to come, we have to follow the same NEP rule for the 11th and 12th because 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Dinesh, what is that? NEP has no separate rule for 11, 12.
No.
How many per week per subject you are going to give? And how is your assessment going to be?
Assessment part will be the same, ma'am. Assessment part will be the same.
Let us talk class 10, ma'am. What is class 10 structure you have followed this year, Hemlata, for assessment?
Ma'am, same CBSE, whatever norms it is there.
Ma'am, please explain it so that I know that the people around you know everything.
Yes, ma'am. PT1, then PT2, then we have Essay 1, midterm, then we are going to have the PT3. So instead of PT3, we have.
Ma'am, you are not very clear what's happening. You have not spoken about projects. You have not spoken about profile. I need to know about all that.
Ma'am, shall I say?
Yes.
So, ma'am, regarding about the project work, because we have to allot 20 marks for 10th standard for each subject. So we have to conduct the activities, the projects, so that we can allot marks for that. And the notebook submission is also there. So this is what for the 10th standard. At present, because of the COVID situation, we are unable to get them here. But we will collect the books and we will conduct the activity for them. We have already conducted one activity.
Okay. What about your periodic tests? How many periodic tests do you have in classes 9 and 10?
Ma'am, for 9 we have 3 periodic tests, but for class 10, 2 periodic tests. After that, we'll start with the preparatory. That is we call it as a DPTs, ma'am. That is daily practice papers.
So CBSE, you have to say give 20 marks internal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you calculate those 20 marks?
When 20 marks is divided between the activity, the notebooks, the interaction, disciplinary action between the teachers in the school. So these are the 3 levels where we gauge the child.
What about the portfolio? Have you any idea about the portfolio?
Anecdote. We do maintain the anecdote of it.
No, portfolio is not anecdotal.
Portfolio, you mean to say the child's record?
I don't mean. CBSE means, CBSE uses the word portfolio.
Regarding the child's record?
No.
Portfolio is regarding whatever the projects they have done for the 20 marks.
Exactly.
Yes.
They need to pick up a theme. They need to pick up a work that, and it could be about their future. Anyway, I'm not here to educate, but things need to be very, very clear as to what we are planning to do.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are not aware, it's perfectly all right. Principal may not know everything. You can call your HODs to explain us all this.
Yes.
How about your record keeping of the examination?
We do maintain the answer scripts of them, whatever they have done, and we have a blue books we are maintaining, whatever the assignments and the question papers they will write the answers. So different question papers they will be provided for 10th standard, ma'am, whatever I'm talking.
No, I'm talking about everybody entire. Say, for example, after 3 years, a child of class 9 comes and tells you, I want my mark sheet of half yearly. How do you keep the record?
Mass cards we have. Mass cards we have.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to ask you. You have the records.
Yes.
In hard copy or soft?
Hard.
Progress report. I can show you.
So how does decision making takes place in your school?
Ma'am, by different assessments, whatever they do, and also certain activities that they are going to.
No, I am saying, let us say that suddenly any emergency crops up and you need to decide on certain thing. So how does school authority come to any conclusion?
By discussion with
any matter, whether it is emergent matter, whether it is a routine matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. We'll discuss with all committee members, whoever is there in our school. So we will come to conclusion by discussing.
Yeah, so it should be collaborative, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Shall we go ahead, ma'am?
Ma'am, it is written over here in that document verification through screen. I think for one by one we should ask on the screen to show all the this.
Please
documents.
go ahead. Yeah.
And after that we can finish it up because it is almost 1 hour exceeding.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So now you please show us the documents one by one on the screen. That DEO certificate, affidavit, fire safety, building safety, all you show on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. This is affidavit.
Affidavit, okay.
No. Have you shared it with us? You didn't give us.
You have not shared this. This affidavit we have not got. You just share it again. Send it ma'am's WhatsApp also and on my also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Or you can drop it on in the group.
Poonam,
yes, ma'am.
आपका जो बंदा अपलोड कर रहा है उसको बोलिए इन्होंने वीडियो अपलोड कर दिया तो उसका लिंक भेजिए और लिंक को अपलोड करा दीजिए एक बार. टाइम लेता है.
वीडियो अभी कौन सा वीडियो मैम?
ये लोगों ने जो वीडियो भेजा ना 40 मिनट का
जो भेजा है.
हाँ तो वीडियो हमको नहीं अपलोड करना. नहीं सुनिए ना, वो लिंक भेजेंगे, वो अपलोड करेंगे वीडियो को, वो लिंक भेजेंगे हमको, वो लिंक को हमको अपलोड करना है.
अच्छा, उसका लिंक हमने क्रिएट किया है, उसको पहले YouTube पर भेजेंगे हम और उसके बाद फिर अपलोड करेंगे.
तो वो आप क्यों कर रहे हैं? दैट इज देयर जॉब टू डू इट.
हमारा है कि उनका है? नो, उनको करना है या हमको करना है?
लिंक तो वो करना था लेकिन हमने कर दिया उसको।
अच्छा, उनको करना था लेकिन कर दिया है इन लोगों ने।
तो अच्छा, तो वो लिंक को भी अपलोड कर दो, बोलो
कर
यूट्यूब
दो
को।
उसको अपलोड। वो मैम एक साथ ही होगा इसके बाद?
नहीं नहीं, आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं।
कर सकते। डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रीज बता रहे हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रीज होंगे उसके बाद ही
एक
होगा।
एक 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 के होता है ना, एक एक का होता है। यू कैन डू इंस्टेड ऑफ ए यू कैन गो टू एफ।
करो उसको ऐसे।
हाँ, मैं
ओके
बता
मैम,
रही हूँ, लिंक वाले
ठीक
को
है।
ना बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी। आखिरी में अपन ये रिकॉर्डिंग जब खत्म होगी उसके बाद करेंगे उसको। अच्छा, हाँ, हेमलता से आप कुछ पूछ रही थी मैम।
वो फिजिकल, हाँ दिखा दीजिए वहां से ना, आप एक एक करके दिखा दीजिए वहां से। यू जस्ट शो ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स वन बाय वन।
Madam, this is the affidavit stating that non-proprietary character certificate that the school management committee doesn't have blood relation. It was stated and then we are already submitted to you, to your mail. Once again, we are forwarding to you. And at the same time, this is the, as far as CBSE prescribed appendix 3 for the upgradation, state government has recommended, and then the same along with the seal translation, and then we are submitting to your pursuer. And then we are moving to the next, madam. And this is the reserve fund that we are maintaining around 1 lakh.
सर अब थोड़ा स्क्रीन पर नहीं आ रहा है पेपर, यू जस्ट पुट इट ऑन स्क्रीन, इट शुड बी, यस नाउ ओके। नाउ ओके।
And this is the RTE recognition. It is the recognition under RTE Act. This was issued by the state government, state
Up to
education.
class 8. It is up to
Yes.
class 8, right?
And then the same copy we are submitting to you for sure. For
Okay.
your,
Okay.
Five years. And this is the certificate of land.
क्यों नहीं, दोनों को शेयर कर रहे हैं ना, सेम आईडी पे हम लोग कर रहे हैं।
And this is fire safety certificate issued by the district fire officer. And then we are already mailed you, and once again we are submitting to you for your pursuit.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
And then this is safe drink from BBMP, issued by BBMP. And then it is a safe drinking water and sanitization condition in the school. This was issued by the health officer. The same once again we are submitting to you for your pursuit.
Okay.
And this is a building safety certificate issued by BBMP, executive engineer. And then why? Because it is in Kannada, so that we are all translated, and then we are submitting along with the notarized translated copy for your reference, for your pursuit. Yeah, next. And this is original lease deed, which is registered for 30 years.
11:30. Infrastructure.
Once again, we are submitting for your pursuit. See here, we can see that
30 years, yes,
30
I can
years,
see.
commencement in so-and-so date to so-and-so date.
Okay.
The same copy that we are submitting to for your pursuit also. Next. Yes, madam. Almost done, madam.
Okay. What is the total area of your land? Total area.
It is 3,000. 1 second. 3,004.
Yes.
Just.
Yes, 3,437.41 square meters, ma'am. This total school area, and built up area
Including playground and all, 3,000 something.
yes, 600 square meters of playground.
2 sheets की single.
ठीक है. I think you have shown all the documents which you have. Okay. There is one column of your this thing, principal name, qualification, experience. So experience, you in that list which you have sent for the teachers list, in that your experience is not written. How much experience do you have?
9 years previous year experience. And
9 years.
presently, yes, ma'am. And presently here 3 years old, ma'am. This is my 3rd year.
Okay.
Yes, total 12 years, ma'am.
ठीक है. What is your qualification?
MSc B.Ed, ma'am.
MSc in which subject?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. Fine. Anything else, ma'am, which you want to ask, or we shall close now?
I think I'm done, but मेरे को
Okay.
first part के लिए I was little concerned about the documentation. So can we go ahead, or you want to close the meeting now?
First part, which, ma'am, this affidavit one?
ABCD वाला.
ABCD वाला वो तो we will do ना, both of us only we have to.
उनको नहीं, लेकिन इससे ना मेरे को थोड़ा सा इनके टीचर डेवलपमेंट प्लान की कॉपी चाहिए मेरे को इनके.
तो आप इनसे पूछिए, they will show on the screen.
Yeah. I want the teacher development, because ये वाले जो हमने अभी चेक किए हैं, this will anyway go to CBSE.
हाँ.
So
For
this
these
is the
only it is written.
Sure.
It was written over here for these documents only.
Yeah.
What else you want to ask them? You can ask them.
Yeah. I want to see the health and physical education. What are you doing for students' health checkup and all? This is very, very important, ma'am. I want to see their health record card.
Ma'am, we have one nurse is there. We have.
Can I see her? Can I see her CV, please?
Yes, ma'am. Just one. CV, sir. Nurse.
There is 11th point, faculty interaction for 5 minutes. It is mentioned over here, ma'am. So can we have this staff meeting? This faculty interaction 5 minutes.
या वो भी चाहिए. पहले इनको ये थोड़ा सा कुछ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इन्होंने शुरू के कुछ भी नहीं दिखाए हैं अभी. Let us check some documents over there.
जी मैम, बस वो I just reminded you कि बस ये और point रखना है.
Yeah. So it's fine. We are not still late. Actually, we started at 11:30.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Instead of 11. So it's barely 1 hour we have done.
Yeah. And this is.
Can you show it on the screen, please? Either
Yes,
you can share it on the screen if you want.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have it as a soft copy? You can share your screen.
Yeah, ma'am. Presently we have a hard copy. I'll share.
Please focus. Please move back a bit. Move back. Centrally align it.
कैमरा के सामने ही रखिए उसको, बिल्कुल स्क्रीन पे, पूरा नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. इट इज नॉट विजिबल क्लियरली ना मैडम. मैडम का दिख रहा है. Okay.
You can sit now.
How often do your teachers visit the library?
Every day usually they will be coming for reference and all. Whatever reference books they require, because we have 11th and 12th books are also there. So for further whatever
It is suggested, I am suggesting it, that ensure that teachers get at least a book issued, whatever, whether it is home development, classroom management, Femina, whatever, they should issue, and then they should write it in their lesson plan that they have read these books. These are very important. In my school, every teacher has to issue 5 books in a month, and they have to write it in their lesson plan what is to be done, and then HOD checks it. Whether it is science, it is National Geographic, it is, I have digital library as well. So we can do all that, but it is just suggestive of it because it's yours is a new school. So digital library cost you nothing, practically nothing. It is just maybe a lakh or 1.5 to get the affiliation done with so many libraries online all over the world.
Yes, ma'am. Whatever we have, our digital room is also there, and in our smart class board, whatever we have the software
Digital,
we have.
Ma'am is asking about digital library.
Digital room is different. Digital room is a resource room for teachers. Digital library.
In future you can do it.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Surely.
चलते फिर इनको और आगे इनको जो भी आप देख लेते हैं इनको बाकी
मैम इंटरेक्शन स्टाफ का इंटरेक्शन
I want to meet PGTs. आपके TGTs you have already got the affiliation up till 10th. If you told me you have appointed PGTs,
yeah,
which I wouldn't do it. If an inspector would have asked me कि आपने PGT क्यों नहीं appoint किया, I will say I have no money to waste for 6 months to appoint PGT while they are taking PGT classes. Right? Yeah, and I have said that in the past. I said this is they have been appointed from 1st April, so you can speak to me.
Mainly subjects like shall I call one by one or?
Yeah, not one by one. You just call them all together. Then ma'am will.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it will take time if you call them one by one.
क्या बोलती हूँ पूनम, PGTs को बुलवा लेते हैं.
हाँ जी.
खाली PGTs को बुलवा लीजिए.
Only हाँ बस काफी.
आपका क्या सब्जेक्ट?
My subject is English, ma'am.
है ना, तो आप इंग्लिश पे क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए, मैं अपने और सब्जेक्ट पे क्वेश्चन कर लूंगी.
हाँ जी.
You call all your PGTs for which you want me to grant the affiliation to you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's it. I'm making your life simpler. Dinesh sir. Mr. Dinesh. कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए इन्होंने अप्लाई किया हुआ है?
कौन से सब्जेक्ट?
They have to tell us. उसमें आखिरी में है कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट का एफिलिएशन आप देना चाहते हैं. दिनेश सर, tell me what are the subjects you have applied for senior secondary?
Ma'am, we have applied for science and commerce.
Science is no stream.
Chemistry, bio, PCMB.
PCMB, okay.
And BASM.
Mathematics applied. Have you?
PCMB.
Okay.
BASM.
What is BASM? Business studies.
Business.
Accounts.
Stats, maths.
Statistics. Maths ऊपर आ गया. You are just telling me the combination. Yeah.
And English and Kannada is common, ma'am. English, Kannada, Sanskrit will be common.
No. Don't tell me English. English what?
No. English, Kannada, Sanskrit will be one language, na?
अरे बाबा, English दो तरीके की होती है. English core. Which English?
We'll go with
Then I'll
English.
give you only English core if you don't want functional.
Elective or core? Ma'am is
Core,
asking.
core. The तीनों core ही है.
Kannada?
Kannada also core only, ma'am.
That I don't know whether it is core or not. Kannada is one only. English में दो होता है. Regional language is only one. 11th में कहीं किधर संस्कृत यार? 11th में you are going to offer Sanskrit also?
Not here, not now. Only till 10th.
I am telling you only for 11th, 12th, sir. 10th तक का
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Only English and Kannada. Sorry.
English, don't say English. Say English core.
English core and Hindi.
Hindi also.
हाँ हिंदी.
11th में आपके बच्चे हिंदी लेते हैं?
हाँ लेते.
आप अगर सब्जेक्ट बोलेंगे तो मैं उसका पीजीटी मांगूंगी आपसे.
Yes, yes. मैम पुष्पा मैम है.
हिंदी ओके.
और कन्नड़ा भी है मैम.
कन्नड़ा भी हो गया और बस. आर्ट्स का आपने कोई सब्जेक्ट, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द आर्ट्स स्ट्रीम?
No, ma'am, no.
No, they have applied for science and commerce only.
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. All right, call your PGTs and we'll talk to them.
Yeah, ma'am. 5 minutes.
Mr. Dinesh, manager. Just
Ma'am, I'll take 1 minute leave from you. Sorry, ma'am. Okay. ये भी बता दो हमारी भी मदद कर क्या यहाँ पे दीवार लगाएंगे छूट गई ना तो लगाई है ना तो अपने मिस्त्री को बोलो ना 7-7 घंटे रखता रहता है वहाँ पे अपने आप ही बोलेगा तो कुछ बोलेगा अगर कुछ उल्टा बोलेगा तो बोलेंगे फिर इंटर पाइप उल्टा नहीं बोलेगा ना तो नर्सरी का भी काम खत्म है दीवार वहाँ से लगाएंगे छुट्टी देखो करना थोड़ी पानी से काम करना है अभी रहना है इनके साथ दिन रात बस अब ग्राउंड उसका भी लेंटर आ रहा है दूसरे फ्लोर पर
So can I have your chemistry PGT, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shweta ma'am. Please come, please come.
मुझे लगा है वो स्कूल ऐसी प्लानिंग से हुआ है कि जब स्कूल खुलेगा तभी वो खुलेगा देख लो हम कैसे इंस्पेक्शन होता है सारी तैयारियां डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह वैसे ही करो जितना जो स्टेकहोल्डर्स के साथ मीटिंग वगैरह ये सब रजिस्टर ना एक बहुत मतलब
Madam, kindly mute yourself.
हम ये भी कर सकते हैं जो वो मैडम है जो इंग्लिश पढ़ा रही है आपको उसको वो उसके स्कूल में भी इंस्पेक्शन हो रहा है जहाँ वो कर रही है तो उसको साथ में लेके उसको भले ही हम फुल टाइम पे बुला सकते हैं अगर
Can you mute yourself?
डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है अच्छा मतलब मेन है डॉक्यूमेंट वाला काम तो वो जो जो चीजें भी होती है ना अगर यहाँ पे लगता है कि कोई है ऐसा यहाँ पर कौन है अब तो इंग्लिश का तो कोई और ऐसा कोई टीचर है या तो
Poonam, kindly mute yourself, Poonam.
ये इस काम को या फिर जूनियर लेवल में
अभी तो हमारे लेटर तो होगा इस वाले स्कूल का
अरे मैं इसी की बात कर रही हूँ इसके बन जाएंगे तो उसके अपने आप ही बन जाएंगे
उसका इसका तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट रेडी है हमारा
जो भी ये पूछते हैं जो भी पूछा जाता है जैसे उनके साथ मीटिंग है या हमारा विजन का हमने कैसे कैसे डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है अकॉर्डिंग टू विजन हम पेरेंट्स के साथ स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ कैसे ये जो मोटी मोटी चीज जो रूटीन का काम है वो तो ठीक है
उसका इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं हुआ ना तो इसका
यस मैम
They are hearing all the conversation. Okay. Please mute yourself. Yeah. So once again, your name, ma'am, please.
Shweta, madam. Shweta.
Shweta. So,
Shweta.
Shweta, at the moment, what all classes are you doing?
Now 8th, 9th and 10th I am taking, ma'am.
Okay, for class 10, have you been given appointment letter for class 11 and 12 PGT?
Yeah, ma'am.
Can I see your appointment letter, please?
You all must be having your personal files with you, right?
Yes, we are maintaining it.
So in that only
you are maintaining, but have you been given the appointment letter? Hello, Shweta, I'm talking to you. Don't look at anybody else. Just look at me.
Yes, ma'am. They are bringing.
Have you got your PGT appointment letter?
Yes, ma'am. They are bringing, ma'am.
They are bringing. So what was written in your appointment letter of PGT?
Yes, I have been appointed for the PGT classes, ma'am. 11th and 12th. 11th and 12th, ma'am. Not any.
Only this much?
Yes.
If your appointment letter does not carry your salary scale, basic, grade pay, PA, your appointment letter does not say all that.
Yes, ma'am. It is there. It is there, ma'am.
So speak it up. Somebody else is speaking. I don't want somebody else to speak, sir. Dinesh sir, let the person concerned be speaking about that. Yes, Shweta. You don't have to read that letter.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You haven't received the appointment letter. I know that. I can make it out very clearly from the makeup of the things. Dinesh sir, anything that has not been done, please tell me accordingly. Right? I have almost superannuated and I know the things. What is your basic pay?
Basic pay is 21,000, ma'am.
And what is the grade pay on that?
Grade pay means 33,000, ma'am.
Yeah, so you are reading it and telling me you don't know. Can you see the copy of your appointment letter? Show me properly. No, you are not showing it to me.
Showing the camera.
Up, please. This is TGT. It is written. It's not written PGT.
First, I was appointed for TGT, ma'am. Now I had appointed for PGT.
What is not showing? That letter is not showing as PGT chemistry. Yeah. Dinesh sir, C. Hemlata.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing is very, very clear.
Yes.
I understand if you have not appointed people, right? You can always tell me that these people will be appointed from 1st of April.
Yes, ma'am.
21. So, but don't fool around that you have already appointed. We are not fools over here. I don't like that kind of structure.
Ma'am, they are promoted. Ma'am, PGT, they are appointed, but they are going to be promoted because once we get the permission, then only we can appoint them, ma'am. So
All
that
right.
is
Then show me your, how do you submit their salaries in the bank?
it is ECS, ma'am, through ECS bank.
ECS, yeah. I want to see their bank statement, salary statement, your entire school salary statement for this month, the month that is gone.
Yes, ma'am. We are.
Since she is PGT appointed, I want to see that scale.
It's promotion only, ma'am. We are promoting from TGT to PGT.
With effect from what date?
April, ma'am. April.
So exactly. So don't say they have been appointed. You told me they have been appointed right immediately.
This is a certificate, ma'am.
No, but everything is fine. But why are you even people lying that we can't see things in Zoom? You are muted, Poonam. All these documents you people should have scanned and shared it on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
None of the documents you are showing me properly. पूनम आप म्यूटेड हैं. Poonam, you are muted.
Hello.
Yeah, now it is fine.
Requested priorly you want not to do that, so that we can start. About the staff, still all the staff is required.
All the stuff. Ma'am, all the stuff you require now, ma'am.
This is.
Poonam, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Yeah.
You should tell ma'am that right now they are teaching up to class 10th.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
appointed as TGT them, but now we will upgrade them because they are enough qualifications are enough to take PGT classes.
Exactly.
So in future we are going to promote, or we are going to give them again one letter that now onwards you will be taking PGT classes and you are being appointed as a PGT. This ma'am wants you to speak clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
All right. I still want to talk to the chemistry teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you distinguish between aldehyde and ketones?
Aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde is CHO group and ketone is CO group. We have a functional group representation. So aldehyde we have C double bond OH and ketone is C double bond O.
But how will you distinguish between the two from the chemical testing?
So when we are going to test the aldehyde and ketone, we can see the ketone will be representing to the middle of the carbon. So, however, it is a unsaturated hydrocarbons and aldehyde we are going to represent to the first group.
I am saying the practical chemical, how are you going to show it to the children?
By using the bromine test, unsaturated and saturated.
Have you heard of Tollens reagent?
Yes, Tollens reagent is, we heard, ma'am.
So
Bayer's reagent also we can use for testing of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons.
And what is the Felling's solution?
Felling solution. The Felling solution, we can use a ferrous compound.
No, Shweta, you are absolutely wrong. Please upgrade your knowledge. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. Otherwise, I would have said. And if at all you are going to be appointed as PGT, I would tell your teachers that you are okay up till class 10. You are very good. I observed your class. You are very good up till class 10.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, but for PGT, they need to think about it.
Ma'am, we are training them, so they will.
Training is done for the skills. Training is not done for the knowledge, ma'am. If somebody is MSc, somebody ought to know this.
Yes, yes.
Anyway, Poonam, over to you.
Okay. See, for PGT chemistry, what ma'am said, you appoint new teacher, right?
Okay.
Note it down, and for future, you just appoint it.
Yes.
Okay, next teacher, can I talk to your SST social studies teacher? English teacher?
English is there, ma'am.
English language?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. SST, sir, Ratan, sir. Please, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Poonam, आप SST 10 तक के लिए मांग रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, ma'am. I want to see like for further if they are going to teach BST and all.
Yeah.
They should have the knowledge. Economics they must be having. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear. I can hear.
Hemlata ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is Ratan, sir, ma'am, social studies.
Okay.
Yes,
So hello, Mr. Ratan. You are teaching social studies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So all streams in social studies up to class 10th you are teaching?
Yes, ma'am.
Like history, geography, economics, all the subjects you are teaching. Okay. So for class 10th board results, like children are not interested in social studies. They are not very much interested. So what are your ways how you take your class like in interesting way so that they can create interest in social studies for board results?
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, I'm selecting the lessons, okay, which is easy for getting marks. Easy lessons I'm selecting, and in the lessons, the point wise, I'm making a point of the notes, and the sentence, whatever is the key points, I'm giving to the students to by head. So better they will understand that point and they can write in exam. So first of all, I'm telling the students to write the point in the exam. One just point, and if you know the explanation, you can write.
Okay, first you are telling them to write down in points.
Point wise. The main key points I'm giving. One lesson means that whatever the important points are there, that I'm telling to write.
So for attempting in board, I'm asking. What instructions you have given them how to attempt in board examination for this, like in theoretical portion only or any other way? What instructions you have given? Because SST is a subject which children don't want to learn at all. So is there any other way they if they don't learn a particular question or answer, then how can they write down without that rote memory? Okay, leave it. it can be through flow charts, it can be through diagrams, which CBSE has introduced now onwards, no? Because they are more and more emphasizing on this activity based. So it should be activity based, means through diagrams, through flow charts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can add in your key points, like you are telling that key points we are giving them. Through those key points only they can create further diagrams, and in dialogue session, dialogue form also you can tell children to write down, because you have to make it interesting so that they get good marks in board, right? Okay, okay, fine. English teacher.
Poonam, I need to ask that. 1 second, sir.
Huh.
What are the chapters that have been deleted or sub units that have been deleted for this current examination, upcoming examination of class 10? Are you aware of that? Certain chapters have been deleted. I don't teach, so I do not know exactly. Yeah.
Now this year only 14 lessons are there in all sections in the together. In the some chapter they deleted, ma'am.
Right. So are you aware of those some chapters? Can you name some chapters in history?
Which one, ma'am?
History.
Yeah, in nationalism in Europe, that lesson that is there, ma'am, present, and in the French.
Well, I don't know, and somebody is helping you from behind.
See, you should be updated, right? Because you are taking board class. Class 10th result means a lot for you, because you are going to, you are applying for 11th and 12th.
You are also doing economics?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. What is marginal utility curve? All right. I'll let you go. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam wanted to talk to English PGT, I think.
English PGT. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. You're not audible. Your mic is muted. Yes, now okay. Okay. What's your name?
Anand Saharia.
Okay. You are teaching English language for which classes right now?
Right now for 9th and 10th grammar class I am taking, and I am appointed for 11th standard, which is going to start in next session.
No, next session, it has a lot of time in next session. But right now you are taking only 2 classes, 9th and 10th grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
So what whole day you are doing? Grammar, only two periods suppose you are taking?
Online classes I did, ma'am.
No, you told me you are taking only grammar, 9th and 10th.
Poonam, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, English teacher, one more faculty is there. They are not available now because they are in quarantine. So they have done the major lessons, and ma'am is taking grammar.
No, in quarantine period, on online classes, so she can take, no problem.
Yeah, she has completed the portions, ma'am. The remaining grammar she is taking. She is not available
So
now
right now you are not having physically you are not having that teacher who is taking English as a subject, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then what to ask? Okay, ma'am, fine. They are not having that same teacher, which is taking since long. Now she is taking only 2 periods grammar.
Ma'am, because of you people, they are all afraid of. All my teachers are very well qualified, ma'am. We have already, they are tensed little bit. Yes, ma'am. Subjective wise, they are good, ma'am. We are seeing the results also. So maybe they are tensed. That's the one thing.
Okay. Now board will see the result. what you are going to, you are saying.
Yes, Nani, your results will matter to
Your
you.
results, board will tell your results. That's it.
Never mind.
Okay, fine. No issue.
So anything else that we should be
No,
checking?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
We'll let
think
them
we are
go
done.
now.
Yeah, now they can leave.
Okay, Hemlata, Dinesh sir, we will let you go at the moment, but stay on phone. If we need anything, we will talk to you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, definitely.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Link based. Link based. 2 minutes. It's empty, I think.
Yes.
And then you can view your traces. So YouTube link you have to send to us. We'll see.
Ma'am,
So, Poonam, do you want to let them go now? Hello?
They can leave, ma'am.
Hemlata and Dinesh sir, you all can leave, and we will be filling up the report.
Hello.
And then we will see if we need anything else thereafter. We will call you back.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, ma'am.
Hello.
Right, and we will stay on. Don't leave the campus. We
ये
might
blue
ask.
dart से
You
आएगा
can let
आपका?
your teachers go.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
ये कोड बता देना.
Okay. You all can leave the room.
Yes.
Only Google you have to send it.
Application complete. एक मिनट.
कौन सिकंदराबाद में? पूछो सिकंदराबाद आके लेना है ना?
उसे ABCD को ग्रीन में करने. Poonam, they have not yet left. Only she has muted herself. She has not left the
एक
room.
सेकंड.
आप उसको काट दीजिए.
मैं
आप
फोन कराती हूँ.
You are the organizer.
Okay, okay,
Now they have left.
Okay. वो पेपर्स पकड़ाओ सारे. ओके मैम, अभी इनका जो अभी ये फर्स्ट से है विजन रेड या ग्रीन पेन रेड होगा.
Okay. So let us come to this. Are you on CBSE?
हेलो. यस मैम.
आप
ये है विजन है पहला.
एक सेकेंड. हाँ मैं राइट. ओके. So Narayana, E-Techno, Uttarahalli, Hubli, Bangalore, member 1 Poonam, member 3 Chandralekha Rawat.
Yes.
Vision में 3 दे देते. level 3.
The vision mission is clearly explicitly stated. Yes ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Vision dissemination भी दे दीजिए 3. We don't want to unnecessary withhold their thing.
हाँ जी.
Leading by planning and decision making. Development plan shows evidence of the planning in most of the areas with a few quantifiable. B दे देते हैं इसमें.
ठीक है.
level 2. Fourth point पे all members of the staff are clearly defined the roles and all. इसमें 3 दे देते हैं.
Okay.
Leading by planning and decision making, collaborative decision making. She said that all the teachers are being discussed about this. Operational leadership is fully aware of the statutory norm. B level 2. 6 नंबर पे level 2.
Okay. 5 पे क्या बताया आपने? वो level 3.
5 पे level 3.
Okay.
4 पे level 3. Operational leadership.
Recording. Ma'am, should we leave this recording now?
Yeah, I think we have to leave. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you.
हाँ, that only.
उसको recording बंद कर दीजिए अभी.
Yes, yes.
इसका टाइम हो गया 1:15 का टाइम